Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Opera GX and confirming the browser is updated. Once done, decide whether you'll use Opera's built-in VPN or a separate VPN app. Each path differs. If you choose a third-party service, make sure you have login credentials and the provider's recommended protocol available. Now click the browser menu, go to Settings, and prepare to toggle privacy options. This gets you directly into the VPN configuration steps without wasting time. You now configure the VPN itself. If using Opera's built-in VPN, toggle it on under Settings, Privacy and Security, and choose the desired virtual location. This affects only browser traffic. If using an external VPN, install and sign into the provider's app, select a protocol like OpenVPN or WireGuard, and connect. Make sure to set split tunneling or browser-only routing if you want only Opera GX to use the VPN. Once connected, verify with an IP check to confirm the change. Finish by testing functionality. Visit an IP check site to confirm your new address and location. If sites load slowly or fail, clear Opera GX's cache and reload tabs or restart the browser. Sometimes DNS or cached routes cause issues. If pages are blocked, switch VPN server regions or change the protocol in the VPN app or Opera settings. If problems persist, disable browser extensions briefly to rule out interference. That single troubleshooting step often resolves connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.